Our India is great. She is a vast land, almost a subcontinent. On the north are the great Himalayas. To the west is Pakistan and the Arabian Sea. To the south are Sri Lanka and the Indian Ocean. To the east of the country are Arakan Hills and Myanmar, i.e. Old Burma. The rivers flow on through the length and breadth of this vast land. They are the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, the Narmada, the Godavari, etc. They make the land fertile. There are deserts in the west where there is little rainfall. There are mountains and valleys. There are plain lands stretching to the horizon. There are dense forests haunted by ferocious animals like lions, tigers and leopards. There is Cherrapunji in the east where highest rainfall occurs. It has a distinct place of honor in the heritage map of the world. Temples, churches and mosques are numerous. The Indians speak more than 200 languages. People of so many ethnic varieties, of different religions and languages, dresses, customs and habits live in this country in amity. It is a democratic country. Needless to say, it has unity in diversity. Integration of India is based on solid foundation. We love our motherland even at the cost of our own lives.